In front of me is LENOVO Tab One, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password in Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on this section, Accounts and Sync. Now what you need to do is click on this icon on the right of Google section. And this way tap on Google Password Manager. Now to check any of those passwords, click on the chosen one. Enter your screen lock and click on eye icon right next to it to make it visible. Trust me, I tested it multiple times and I can assure you, you will see it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!